Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next necrological video is about the American actor who just passed away on Monday, September 9, 2024 in Dutchess County that's in Pawling, Pawling in New York. So that's far from New York City. But this one is American black actor that is based on my necrological findings. You will see it in my description. So that's the most important. I'm referring to American actor James Earl Jones. He is by the way, he is an American iconic actor who is famous in memorable voice of Darth Vader, who became international fame in Star Wars, and Mufasa in The Lion King. So that's the his role. So this actor was born on January 17, 1931 in Arcabutla, Mississippi. Arcabutla, Mississippi. January 17, 1931. His parents are Robert Earl Jones, which is his father. Uh, his mother is Ruth uh, Nee Connolly. So that is his parents. His education background is I received only two details. First is in 1949 he graduated in Dixon Rural Agricultural School, which is now Brethren High School in Breton, Michigan. So that's far from Detroit, Michigan, if I'm not mistaken. And he is also an alumni of University of Michigan, in which he performed a Bachelor of Arts majoring in drama. Because you cannot become an actor if you are not familiar with drama. So that's it. And his notable films is so many, and I will enumerate it. The notable films that he performed is The Man, 1972, Conan the Barbarian, 1982, Matewan, 1987, Coming to America, 1988 with Eddie Murphy, if you can recall, The Hunt for Red October, 1990, Sneakers, Sneakers, 1992, The Sandlot, 1993, The Lion King, 1994, Cry, The Beloved Country, 1995. He is also Best Actor in Gabriel's Fire, in which he received a part of Primetime Emmy Awards. He is also Best Supporting Actor, Heat Wave. That's it. Oh, by the way, he is also received so many awards when he was still alive that time. He in 1992 he received National Medal of Arts from George H.W. Bush and former American First Lady Barbara Bush in Washington D.C. Yes, and he also received National Board Review 1995. 2002, he also received Kennedy Center Honoree. 2009, he received a Lifetime Screen Actors Guild. So, if I'm not mistaken, he received a Lifetime Achievement Award from Screen Actors Guild 2009. So that's it. And he is also received a competitive Tony Award, The Great White Hope, 1969, Fences, 1987. Oh, by the way, a lot of you are asking what is the cause of his death. Based on my necrological findings, he also disclosed in April 2016 he had for his 20 years secret, he had a type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes. By the way, based on his family background, he married twice. His first wife, he married Julianne Marie from 1968 to 1972. He doesn't have children between these two. I mean, James and Julianne. Then 1982, he married Cecilia Hart, the one who just died 2016, ovarian cancer. Then they had a son named Flynn. By the way, on the latest necrological findings that I received from US to Philippines, he is the based on his family, only Flynn, their only son, Flynn, is the surviving family in his family background. By the way, he is the only American actor who received this kind of awards, EGOT, EGOT. EGOT means Emmy Awards, E, Grammy Awards, G, Oscar Awards, O, and Tony Awards, T. So that's it. I hope that this, for me, I will classify for the meantime simple necrological videos. I hope that this video will catch up a little feedback. So that's it. But don't you worry, I will make another necrological video of James Earl Jones as a complete necrological video. This one is just only simple necrological videos. I hope that you enjoyed this video in a simple manner. By the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe, and also of course click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you for listening in this video. Good morning.